Building a brand is more than a logo or a tagline. It's about creating a lasting impact. A successful brand resonates with its audience, communicates value, and builds trust over time. But where do you start? How do you ensure your brand stands out in a crowded market? In this practical guide, we'll walk you through every step of building a brand, from understanding your purpose to refining your strategy. Whether you're starting fresh or revamping an existing business, this is your roadmap to branding success. Let's begin. Every great brand starts with a purpose. Why does your brand exist? What problem are you solving and for whom? Start by defining your core value proposition. This is what makes your brand essential to your audience. For instance, if you're running a fitness brand, your value proposition might be helping people live healthier, more active lives. Next, identify the specific problem you're solving. What gap are you filling in your industry? Maybe your fitness brand offers quick, effective workouts for busy professionals who struggle to find time for exercise. Finally, determine what makes your brand unique. Are you offering something no one else does? Maybe it's the simplicity of your workouts or your science-backed approach to health. Knowing your unique angle helps your brand stand out and attract loyal customers. Understanding your why isn't just about knowing your purpose. It's about creating a clear, meaningful foundation for everything your brand represents. Once you've defined your purpose, it's time to bring your brand to life with a compelling identity. This is how your audience perceives you at a glance, so make it memorable. Start with the visual elements. Design a logo that reflects your brand's essence. Choose a color palette that aligns with your mission. Colors evoke emotions, so select them wisely. Typography matters too. For instance, sleek modern fonts convey innovation, while traditional serif fonts communicate trust and sophistication. Next, focus on your brand voice and tone. This is how you speak to your audience, whether through social media posts, website copy, or ads. Are you casual and approachable or formal and authoritative? Consistency in your tone builds familiarity and trust. Finally, clarify your values and mission statement. Your values guide your decisions and actions, while your mission statement communicates your purpose. These elements are the backbone of your brand identity, shaping how you present yourself to the world. Remember, your identity isn't just what you say, it's how you make your audience feel. The goal is to create a cohesive and engaging experience across all touchpoints. The next step is creating a brand story. Your brand story is the bridge between your identity and your audience. It's not just what you sell, it's why you sell it and how it connects with people's lives. Start by crafting a narrative that resonates. Why did you start this brand? What inspired you? Every brand has a story, and sharing it makes you more relatable. For example, maybe you started your business because you couldn't find a product that met your needs, so you decided to create it yourself. Use storytelling techniques to make your story engaging. Highlight a challenge you faced, the solution you created, and the impact it's had on your customers. This arc gives your story depth and emotional appeal. You can also include customer stories as part of your narrative. Showcasing how your product or service improves people's lives reinforces your brand's value and builds credibility. Your brand story isn't just about facts, it's about making an emotional connection. When people relate to your journey and values, they're more likely to become loyal supporters. Now that you've established your brand's identity and story, it's time to share it with the world. Effective marketing amplifies your message and builds your audience. Start with a strong online presence. Your website is the foundation. It should reflect your brand's identity, be easy to navigate, and provide value to your visitors. Include clear calls to action that guide your audience, whether it's signing up for a newsletter or purchasing a product. Leverage social media to connect with your audience. Identify the platforms where your target audience spends the most time and focus your efforts there. For example, a visually driven brand might prioritize Instagram, while a B2B brand could focus on LinkedIn. Post consistently, engage with followers, and use a mix of content formats like videos, stories, and polls to keep them engaged. Content marketing is another powerful tool. Create blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics that provide real value. If you're a fitness brand, you might produce videos demonstrating exercises or write articles about healthy eating tips. The key is to position yourself as a trusted resource in your niche. Collaborations can help expand your reach. Partner with influencers or brands that share your audience but aren't direct competitors. For example, a fitness brand could collaborate with a health food company for a joint campaign. These partnerships introduce your brand to new potential customers. Finally, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build an email list and regularly share updates, exclusive offers, or valuable content with your subscribers. Email is a direct line to your audience and often yields higher engagement than social media. The goal of marketing isn't just to attract customers, it's to create lasting connections that keep them coming back. But marketing is just the beginning. To ensure long-term success, you need to continuously evaluate and improve your brand strategy. Track key metrics to measure your progress. For example, monitor website traffic, social media engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback. These data points give you a clear picture of how well your brand is resonating with your audience. Analyze your results and look for patterns. Are certain types of social media posts performing better than others? Is one marketing channel driving more traffic? Use these insights to optimize your strategy and focus your efforts on what works best. Customer feedback is invaluable. Send out surveys or encourage reviews to understand what your audience loves and what they think could improve. Listening to your customers not only builds trust, but also helps you fine-tune your offerings. Embrace a mindset of adaptability. Markets change, and successful brands evolve with them. Stay informed about trends in your industry and be ready to pivot when necessary. For example, if a new social media platform rises in popularity, consider establishing your presence there to stay ahead. Regularly revisit your brand's identity, story, and marketing strategy. As your business grows, you may need to refine these elements to align with your evolving goals and audience needs. All in all, building a brand is a journey that combines purpose, creativity, and consistency. From understanding your why to refining your strategy, every step is an opportunity to connect with your audience and create lasting value. Your brand isn't just a logo or a tagline, it's the experience you offer, the trust you build, and the impact you make. By following this guide, you can craft a brand that stands out and thrives in any market. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights to help you grow and succeed. Until next time, keep pushing beyond your limits.